Thirsty. Wish I had some water. There's no water anywhere. Maybe there's water on the other side of this wall. This is your line, honey.
Wait, babe.
Yeah, babe?
What about the water in the toilet tank? That's really clean.
You're so smart. I always wondered why I married you. I mean, I know why I married you because you're so smart. And I couldn't get through the wall anyway, so I guess I'll just drink out of the toilet bowl.
Toilet tank.
Oh, I need a cup though. Should I just drink with my face?
No, I would get a cup.
Is there a cup anywhere in
Yes,
here?
there's one there on the shelf.
Ah.
Oh, yeah.
Hi, my name is Jesse Cross, and I like to drink toilet water. No, we are here today to talk about challenging people to drink out of the back of the toilet to help raise awareness for third world countries where they have really bad water with, I'm not supposed to say it, but poop in it. You don't want people drinking poop with water. So the challenge is not to drink out of the toilet. There's a big turd in there, so I don't want to do that. But to drink out of the back of the toilet. So I challenge, let's see. I'll send out an email to my challengers in a moment, but you take the water from the toilet.
Want to challenge at least 3 people.
Love it. I'm not going to drink it all. But anyway, challenging the people. I had a much more exciting video, which I might post on the end of this. But anyway.